broken days, carry guilt I couldn't erase, lost in shadows of my own sins, till your mercy pulled me in. I heard your voice inside my soul, calling me back, making me whole. Grace like rivers cleansing me, now I stand forgiven, free. You saw my shame, yeah, loved me still. You took my place on Calvary's hill. Now I bow my heart and kneel. This is my resolution, to live for Christ alone, to follow in His footsteps until I reach my home. I lay my past before Him, my failures at His feet. I'll take up my cross, obey His word, for Jesus walks with me. I once was chained by what I've done, but mercy spoke, the battle's won. Your word is burning in my heart, a holy fire, a brand new start. I won't return where darkness stayed, for by your blood my debt was paid. So here I stand, redeemed and new. Lord, my life belongs to you. No turning back, no compromise. Your truth will be my guiding light. Lord, I surrender all tonight. This is my resolution, to live for Christ alone, to follow His footsteps until I reach my home. I lay my past before Him, my failures at His feet. I'll take up my cross, obey His word, for Jesus walks with me. I acknowledge every sin before you, yet your grace has made me new. Now I rise of faith, forgiven, Lord, my heart belongs to you. Lead me, shape me, make me holy. Let your spirit carry me. All my days I'll choose your ways until eternity. This is my resolution for this coming year and all. Stand in faith to hear your voice and answer when you call. I lay my life before you. Lord, take all of me. I'll take up my cross, obey your word, for Jesus walks with me. With Christ I'll rise, with Christ I'll stand. Grace upon grace, held by His hand. This is my resolution. Jesus, I follow